Good morning. The time is 11:11 and I just got coffee for the family at Dutch Bros. What I got for myself is a raspberry mocha. And also today while I'm filming, it's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day. And also Dutch Bros gave me a sticker today, and it's a sticker, Dutch Dad. So yeah, happy Father's Day. Hey, what's up? I just finished my coffee. And when I got home, my kids gave me my Father's Day gift. This was the card. It says, "You are my father." And it has Darth Vader and Luke Skywalker. My kids wrote in the back. Also, they got me a GoPro, the Hero 12. Also, they got me a stuffed animal. It's a dog. It says Top Dog on the what's it called? Bandana. Also, they got me a chest strap to help me record videos. And also, they got me a spare battery. So when I'm recording for a long time, I have another battery. Yep. Pretty excited for today. Today, we're going to my sister's house, and we're having a dinner, and my dad's going to be there too. All right. Also, not to forget, thank you to my kids and thank you to my wife for my Father's Day gifts. All right, testing. I just set my GoPro up so now I can record videos on my GoPro. Thank you for the Father's Day gift. All right now the time is 3:39 and we are looking for a Father's Day card for my dad, last minute. All right, so this is the Father's Day card we picked out. It says Grandpa, Papa, Gramps, Grandfather, Pop, Poppy, Papa, Granddad, Abu. I don't know how to say that. It says no matter how you say it, no matter how you always say it, always means love. Happy Father's Day. How do you say this? Do you know how to say that?
Abu.
Yeah.
Abu.
All right, well, this we're getting for my dad.
No, Abu.
Okay. All right now the time is 4:14 p.m. and we just got to my sister's house. Want to get Papa his card?
Yeah, these are all my cards, guys.
Want to get Jace? Want to get Papa his card?
Papa, you like my new necklace?
I love it. It's pretty. Can I have it?
Yeah.
I'm just teasing you, soft. Thank you, honey.
It's not new too. I had it like flip. What the heck?
Granddad, Abu,
Oh, yeah.
a bunch of fives. I figured you told me that. No matter how you say it, it always means love. Oh, cool.
What is this?
Who picked this out, Jace? I found it, and then Jace agreed with it. Right on, that's cool. Well, thanks, guys. All right, for dinner I have salad with ranch, salmon, noodles, and corn on the cob. All right, well, that is the end of my vlog. I hope you had a great Father's Day. Thank you for watching. Bye.